Hello prep1, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Happy to be with you again, even if it is online. I will remind you as we used, keep your parents safe, keep yourself safe, keep your society safe, keep your family safe, stay home, stay safe. You are stronger than COVID-19. Okay? Today we are going to finish our unit 7, into our course, New Hello. We have discussed lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is the title of our unit. How was your weekend? Today we are going to finish our unit, so we are going to discuss lesson 6 and 7. Okay, let's start with lesson 6. Writing tip. To write your diary. To write your diary, what would you do? Okay. Let's know and learn how to write our diary. Okay. Let's read that. You can end a sentence with an exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark here to show strong emotion. Number 1. Use an exclamation mark after interesting or surprising information. Number 3. A capital letter follows both a full stop and an exclamation mark. These are instructions to write your diary. Okay? We have already written diary here. Let's read it and know how to write our diary. Okay? Read Dalia's diary and the writing tips. What was her opinion of the terrible day and why? Sunday, 13th of August. Today was a terrible day. My baby brother woke me up at 5 a.m. I am so tired now. I went to the kitchen for breakfast, but we had no milk or bread. So mom asked me to go to the shop, but it was closed because it was only 6:30 a.m. Then I tried to do my math homework, but I lost all my work because my laptop stopped working. Although we planned to have a barbecue in the afternoon, it was very windy. We couldn't have it. I hope tomorrow is a better day. Okay, how did Dalia write her diary? He tells me her. Okay. Number 1, use the past tense most of the time, because I will tell something which happened in the past. Like what? My brother woke me up. I went. We had. Mom asked. It was closed, but it was only. Okay, try to use past simple tense most of the time. Number 2, use the first person, I or we. Okay, the first person, I or we, because you are talking here about yourself or your family, your friends. Okay, I or we, you're the first person, I or we. Like what? I'm so tired. I went to the kitchen. Then I tried to do. I lost all my work. Okay. Number 3, write things in the order that they happened. Write things in the order that they happened. The first thing, then, after that, next, finally. Okay. Try to order your diary. Okay. Like then. After that, first. Okay. Number 4, talk about your feelings, hopes, thoughts, and opinions. Like Dalia, she said, I hope tomorrow is a better day. Okay, the last instructions include pictures and doodles. Include pictures and doodles. Okay. Like what Dalia bought her, this picture. Okay, let's remember them all. Number 1, use the past tense most of the time. Number 2, use the first person, I or we. Number 3, write things in the order that they happened. Number 4, talk about your feelings, hopes, thoughts, and opinions. Number 5, and the last one, include pictures and doodles. Okay. Speaking. Read the diary again and answer the questions. Okay, let's answer them all together. Why are diary entries usually in the past tense? Because all the things happened in the past. Okay. Why do we usually use the first person? Because I talk about myself and my family, myself and my friends. Okay, so we use I or we. Okay, which words can we use to show the order that things happened? Can guess. The first thing, after that, next, then, finally. Okay. Think of other verbs we can use to show feelings, hopes, thoughts, opinions. Feelings, we can use the verb feel. Hopes, we can use verb hope. Thoughts, we can use verb I think. Opinions, I wish, I look forward to, and so on. Okay, this is for our lesson 6. Okay, let's move to lesson 7. And as we know, it is usually review on the unit. Look and see the type. Number 1, look and see the type of music which do you like. Okay, number 1 or picture number A. Yes, it is classical music. Okay. Number P. Yes, it is traditional music. Number C. Okay, it is jazz. Okay, the last one, number D. It is opera music. Tell me, which do you like most? Okay. Number 2, ask and answer the questions about these places in pairs. The places which we studied: aquarium, beach, bowling alley, football stadium, fun fair, museum, planetarium, restaurant, shopping center, sports center. I'm waiting for your questions and your answers. Okay? Okay. Use the past simple. Use the past simple. Okay. Number 3, reorder the words to make questions. then ask and answer the questions in pairs. Like number 1, your weekend was. How was your weekend? Let's solve number 2 together. You did to music yesterday. Okay, did you listen to music yesterday? Number 4 or number 3, whiteboard is a classroom there you're in. Let's order it. Is there a whiteboard in your classroom? Okay. Number 4, play musical instrument. You can. Can you play a musical instrument? Number 5 and the last one, breakfast. What have for did you morning with? Let's order it. What did you have for breakfast this morning? Okay, this is for our unit and lesson 6 and 7. I'm waiting for your questions and try to solve your workbook, and I will show your answers. See you with the next unit, unit 8. I'm waiting, as I told you, I'm waiting for your questions. I was happy to be with you. Thank you. Goodbye.